All right, guys, it's halftime of the Super Bowl, and we're going to pull for the random draft for the Grinders League for 2013. The lovely Carly will draw names from the bag. All right. 7 through 12, Ryan. You get pick number 7. Not showing up there very well. Too much light. Next pick, 7 through 12 section, Jeff C. Who probably won't be with us next year. Why isn't this showing up? There we go. Alright. Next pick is Bill Hawkins. He is in the 7 through 12 grouping also. Alright. Next pick, this is in the 2 through 6 grouping. That's Johnny 5 with the J5. The second pick overall. The next pick, 2 through 6 grouping, Mark Birch.
While you're doing that, I want to see something.
Oh boy. Alright. For the next pick, Mr. G in the 7 through 12 grouping. A lot going on over here at Casa de Delbert. For the next pick in the 2 through 6 grouping, that's my buddy Dave Ehrlich. Alright. 4 more picks. Thank you. In the 7 through 6 grouping, that's Alfonso / Tony. Okay. A lot of work, isn't it? Brandon in the 2 through 6 grouping. It's the 5th pick overall. Next up, Stevie K from the 7 through 12 grouping. You get the wraparound pick. And who does that leave for us? That leaves Aaron Baker, number 6 pick. Alright. Ryan, Jeff, Bill, J5, Mr. G, Tony, Brandon, Steve, and Aaron. That concludes the Grinders draft poll. We'll get right back to you with the Gray Bush.